Hey, how are you? Welcome back. Hope you're having an awesome day. Hope your Amazon business or your import-export business is going good. Alex Ryan here, coming to you from beautiful Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a great wholesale market. Perhaps you're interested in starting an Amazon business, not too sure what to sell. Before you go into on Alibaba or before you start buying massive amounts of quantities like 1,000 of this and 2,000 of that, consider wholesale or consider drop shipping. That's another video for another day. But wholesale is actually really good. Hong Kong is kind of like the capital of wholesale because there are so many different people here selling wholesale this, wholesale watches, wholesale clothing, apparel, textiles, clothing, footwear, toys, all that sort of stuff. And a lot of it's actually based here in Hong Kong, believe it or not. Now, it's kind of like the Yiwu. Yiwu is a wholesale city. You may have heard of the Yiwu markets. They're actually Yiwu wholesale markets, right? So they sell a lot of products, a little bit more, just a tad bit more expensive than what you would find at Alibaba, but you can just buy 10 if you want. You don't have to buy like 1,000, which is really cool. So, but I'm actually here in Hong Kong visiting a few wholesale suppliers. I'm going to test a few products. I'm looking at importing about 40 different new products right now, and I'm going to be visiting some wholesale markets this afternoon. I'll probably shoot a video there as well. But it's really good if you're looking to get a wholesale. Visit the hktdc.com website. There's a lot of websites, a lot of people or suppliers on there that sell wholesale. But it's actually good if you're doing Amazon, because if you're just wanting to test a product, you don't want to buy 1,000 of them because you don't even know whether it's going to be successful or not. You always want to test the product because even you don't know. Even if you think it's going to work, it may not work. So don't commit to buying 1,000 or 2,000 of an item. Just buy 10. Just buy 20, or just see if you can sell those. And if they do sell, then that's great. But if it doesn't sell, then obviously don't just discontinue with the line. Yeah, this is why I love Hong Kong. I love coming here. I come here so many times. It's I think my third time this year. Look at that beautiful construction. They're always improving Hong Kong. Anyway, guys, have an awesome day, and just start small. Start wholesale, start small amounts, test the market because you don't know whether or not the product's going to work. And visit the HKTDC website because you're more likely to find some good products on there, some good wholesale products. And check out the Yiwu Fair. It's a little bit inland. You have to catch a flight to get there, but check it out. If you're serious about making money on Amazon and about importing from China, and if you're going to sell stuff on eBay and Shopify and all that, then definitely check out the wholesale opportunity because there is definitely, and if it does work, then you can go into importing large quantities on Alibaba. Have an awesome day, guys. And by the way, if you know someone who's looking to get started importing from China, maybe starting something on Amazon, definitely do check out my other videos. I've got a lot of videos online. I'm a little bit video happy. And do check out, and please share my videos and comment below. I muchly appreciate it because I am on a mission to help about 1,000 people this year get started with their Amazon business and import business, and I want to scale you up to about $1 million. I mean, it won't happen immediately. You got to start small. You got to test a whole bunch of products, but with advertising, with the right instruction, you can get there. So, guys, have an awesome day. Talk to you real soon. Please share. Please comment on the video and visit my website if you want a free video program. Talk to you real soon, guys.